Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to show you how I made this kimono jacket in less than 20 minutes. If you're seeing my video for the first time, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get notified when I'm posting videos like this. This style is something you can try. Fun adults. Thank you. So let's get right into it. You fold your fabric into two. Then you go on top of the fabric and mark 1 inch, then extend the line. We'll be working with that extended line. Then to get your sleeve measurement, take your tape measure, place it at the back of your neck and extend the tape measure to your sleeve, your arm, where you want your sleeve to stop. And then you mark. That's where I'm marking right now, okay? After I finish marking, I want to take my tape measure back to the line there and then take the length of the jacket. Is a short jacket, as you can see from the first video. Then you extend the line, then you go back with your tape, then take the hip measurements. When you're done, then you also extend the line. Then when you're done with this, then you go back to the shoulder to come down by 2 inches. Then you extend the line, this slopey line like this. Then you take the round sleeve measurement, then you mark. Then you want to come in a little bit, okay? You could come in a little bit by maybe 3 or 4 inches depending on how lengthy you want your sleeve. Then you extend the line. So when you're done extending the line, you want to go over to your armhole, okay, to create the curve over the under the armpits like this. When you're done, then you go back to your neck to come down by 1 inch depth. Then the width you go over by 2 inches. This is the back and front cutting, okay? Then you take a ruler to curve. Then you go over to your hip to mark 2 inches there. That is where the curve, our front curve, is going to take place. Then you go over to the length of the jacket to take 4 inch or 5 inch, depending on how curvy you want your jacket. Then I'll mark it. Then you take your curve ruler or use your free sketch to extend that line like that. That's how you want to cut it out. Okay, when you're done cutting it out like this, I'm going to place this other sets and cut out the back first. When I'm done cutting out the back, okay, then I'm going to remove the back so that I'll be able to cut out the front, that curve part. After cutting it out, okay, this is how it is. So you want to take it over to your sewing machine, okay, then you sew the edges like this, like that. Simple. Either you can put bias or anything you want to put at the front to create a design. And this is the result. I had to put fringes at the length of the jacket, and this is the final result. Thank you guys for really watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Bye.